What are you doing?
Right, this is going to look crazy, and it probably is. I've heard a rumour, and I am deeply, deeply sceptical about it, that if you put a stethoscope up to a hornbeam, then you can hear its sap moving. I'm not sure I believe it, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. I'm very pleased to be able to do this tree at last, because I strongly feel this is one of the most neglected and under-recognised and underappreciated trees in the British Isles. This here is a hornbeam, covered with these wonderful pagoda-like structures, the seeds hanging off the twigs. Now, hornbeams had an unfortunate history in the British Isles, simply because the wood itself is absolutely useless. If you try and cut down a hornbeam, notably it blunts your tools. It was also called ironwood for this reason. Therefore, people didn't like having it in their woods, and most woods in the UK have been managed for timber production over thousands of years, and so if you had a hornbeam, it was no value to you, so you might as well just cut it down. And it does make very good charcoal out of the timber, so that was one of its uses. But you can't really build anything out of it, so why would you bother keeping a hornbeam tree? So from being one of the relatively common species in these islands, it then became increasingly rare and people didn't value it at all. There's one or two things you can make out of hornbeam, and that's only where you need a piece of wood that's exceptionally strong. So one of the things they were apparently used for is windmill cogs. When people made windmills, every part of it used to require a different type of wood that had particular properties. And so for the cog in the centre, you needed something that was exceptionally tough and could withstand stretches and strains from all directions. And that was one of the few things you could do with a hornbeam. Where are we? There we go. Oh, could do with a bigger tree than this, really. One where we can see it a bit better. I can actually hear a gurgling noise in there.
Really?
Yes, I can, but I'm not convinced it's what people say it is. Hold on, let me experiment. Yes, I can hear a sort of creaking, pulsing sound, but I don't think it's the heartbeat of the tree. Sorry, hippies. I think it's actually just the branches moving and causing the wood to vibrate a little. It makes it sound like there's something flowing inside the tree.
Try putting it on there and put the head things of the stethoscope on the side of the camera.
Let me get a good spot. Where do you want them?
On the either side of the fluffy thing.
Oh, you're going to have to get in a bit further then. This isn't long enough.
Okay.
Just going to see if you can hear it too. Let's put this stick on there.
I'll just hold it.
You getting anything? Yep, have to be honest, that's a failed experiment. My suspicion with the hornbeam name is because the wood itself, I'm not sure if you can see here, when you look at older branches, there seems to be a bit of a twist to it. So it doesn't produce a nice straight grain that you can chop through or you can make planks out of easily. So my guess is it's something to do with the twisted nature of the wood inside. I like to support trees that no one else supports, and trees that people walk past every day. I walk past several hornbeams on my way into work, and they're just under-recognised. It's quite easy. Their diagnostic feature, when you don't see the seeds, is on the leaves, and the leaves are what we call double-toothed. They've got one layer of teeth, and they've got a layer of teeth on top of those. I'm going to try again. In the interest of science, we need to replicate. If you're wrong once, check that you're wrong twice. Might be a bit more going on as well. You can see the twisted, gnarled wood that I think may have given us its name. There's nothing there.
Give us a go. You can be cameraman even.
Okay. Be careful not to slam it onto the trunk when you
Oh yeah, good point.
do it, because it'll hurt your ears if you do. Just slide it on gently.
Not a sausage.
No.
Nothing.